Cloud-based software operates on remote servers, allowing access from anywhere, enhancing flexibility and collaboration. This framework is crucial for modern app development, offering scalability and quick resource adjustments. It promotes productivity and reduces dependence on physical servers, making it more economical to develop cloud-based software. Cloud platforms like Google App Engine offer automatic updates, improving data management and software enhancements. This simplifies development and ensures users access the latest features. Cloud technology enhances collaboration, scalability, and disaster recovery, allowing businesses to focus on innovation without managing on-site infrastructure. Before developing cloud-based software, understand its purpose, specifications, and features. Define your goals by identifying the problem it solves and its user benefits. Research your target audience through surveys or interviews to ensure the software addresses real challenges. Choose technologies that match your goals and scalability needs. Choosing the right cloud service provider is crucial. Understand the types of cloud services: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Evaluate providers based on reliability, pricing, support, and compliance to ensure they meet your project's specific needs. Designing scalable architecture is vital. Consider microservices for flexibility or monolithic for simplicity. Choose the right database, SQL for structured data or NoSQL for flexibility. Integrate systems with user-friendly APIs to enhance functionality and accessibility, ensuring seamless communication between services and a positive user experience. Adopt Agile methodology for flexibility and iterative development. Break projects into manageable parts, encourage collaboration with tools like Trello, and prioritize feedback. Maintain coding standards and use version control systems like Git. Conduct various tests to ensure reliability and gather user feedback for continuous improvement. Efficient deployment and maintenance are crucial. Choose a cloud platform like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Set up your environment with virtual machines and automate deployment with CI/CD tools. Regularly update software, monitor performance, and provide strong user support to ensure long-term success and competitiveness.